These are diamond painting canvases for beginner kits. I've got a few of each one. This is I've got a few of each one. This is Ballet of Pink and Purple Tulips. It is on artist canvas. It is for round. Let's see, I'll show you some of the drills. No, I'm not going to show you drills. I'm going to show you the symbols. I love this so much. I had fun designing this. I like pink and purple. Oops. Hey, Millie. And I have one more. Come on, Millicent. Come on. Come on. Come on. This is Charlie. Charlie is a King Charles Spaniel. He is sitting under a table. Come on, Millicent. This is Charlie. He's a King Charles Spaniel. There is a table by the window with books and a cup of coffee, and he is sitting under the table waiting for his owner, who's going to come and enjoy some books, enjoy reading, and a cup of coffee. This is also a beginner kit. And this has a lot of color blocking in it. I'll show you the drills, show you the symbols. I'm really excited about these. I am so excited. Thanks for watching.